for the project discussions. Yes, I will call the names. You should be present. See, last time also one of the group were absent. But I think it is Sonali Ingre was absent for the last time. See, if this time also, if you are not present, any of you out of all the three groups, I'm not going to consider your internal marks. So being strict is now, it is my weakness, you can say. See, since you're not concentrating on the syllabus, lectures, anything else. So still, I need how many students there are? 13 students are there. Only 11 have joined. I will take the presentee. So first one is Kiran Pandre,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Kirti Salgar,
मैम उसका आज वैक्सीनेशन से शेड्यूल है इसलिए वो नहीं आई।
okay, Rohini Dasi,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Rameshwari Gaikwad,
Present, ma'am.
Shraddha Kalshetty,
Present, ma'am.
Sonali Ingre,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Reshma Wagmare,
Present, ma'am.
Ashwini Ardak,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Namrata Ukrande,
नाही मॅम तिनं हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आहे ती कोरोना पॉझिटिव्ह आहे।
okay, Seema Bhimannauru,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Swaranjali Kulkarni, okay, Vasundhara Deshmukh Madam. Swaranjali, are you present or not?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Vaishnavi Kulkarni,
Present, madam.
Vasundhara Deshmukh, okay. So starting with the first group, Kiran Pandre, Rohini and Rameshwari and Shraddha. Okay, what the improvement you have done from the last discussion?
Ma'am,
मैम
can
वी
I
आर
present that?
पॉइंट्स।
Yes, yes, you can present.
मैम
Okay.
we have included 2 points which you suggested last time, the GDP and the another is the advantages of lockdown।
Okay. Start.
Hello.
मैम योर माइक इज।
Okay. Tell me what are the points important for your project. That means no need to explain all the 40 pages. What are the important points? Just like you want to tell it in very short time. Suppose in front of examiner as you are going to present. So in the very similar way, you have to just do it in very minimum time and start doing presentation. Okay.
Ma'am, first one is introduction. Then there are graphs and all about the rate of change of coronavirus. And afterwards, using that graphs, there is a
Wait.
mod.
This much fast is not necessary. I will give you 10 minutes for every group. So you can take at least 10 to 12 minutes to present the session.
Shraddha.
Just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, which which one data we have collected in that? Researchers have been tracking the spread of coronavirus. They studied the clinical features of coronavirus and discussed the short-term outcomes of. They have observed that coronavirus typically is transmitted from person to person through respiratory droplets and close contact. They have used one term that is SIR, which is a susceptible, infected, and recovered epidemic model, which is presented in the graphs. Which all the graphs we have these proposed models and graphs, it was concluded that human to human contact is the potential cause of outbreak of COVID-19. Therefore, isolation of the infected human overall can reduce the risk of COVID-19 spread. In order to do that reducement in a COVID-19 spread, they have divided total population into 5 compartments: susceptible, exposed, infected, isolated, and recovered. After this, from the graphs, they have calculated the model formulation in a mathematical model. There are some theorems and lemma depending on that graphs.
Wait. Here I have told you whether you have found any relation, that means how this differential equations has been used, how it is constructed. This was a question for the last discussion.
Ma'am,
Are
we
you
are
done?
trying to get, but not exactly know.
Okay. Okay, what you do, you send me this Word file. I will check if possible. I will find out how this differential equations are made.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it okay? Means PDF typing and all presentation.
Yes, it is okay, but I will give you some specifications. Like you have to draw a border for every page. You can see here in the page layout or in the design, you can have that border section, and font should be 14, and it is Times New Roman. You are using Calibri. Use the Times New Roman, and the size of font should be 14. That I will tell
Okay,
you
ma'am.
later on. You can do that changes, but just now you present this.
Yes, ma'am. Rameshwari, where are you?
Hello.
Hello, you are audible. You can speak.
Uh, in this model formulation, it in this section we are going to mathematical method by using the this equations. आणि hello. There is a lemma and 2 3 theorems included. Hello. There in this numerical method and result in this section. Uh, Hello. सांगितलं तसं आहे का?
Yes.
मराठीत सांगितलं तर चालेल का?
नाही ना चालणार. Okay, speak in Marathi, but we should prepare for this in the final exam. Okay.
ओके.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, last time you have told to add me the GDP means gross domestic product. I have added this also. Means is which is used to calculate or market value of goods and services which by every country during a specific period. Such as it may contain it is calculated as consumption plus investment plus government spending and plus net exports. Consumption means what? Respective private consumption expenditure by households and non-profit organization. And investments are referred to business expenditures by business and home purchase by households. And G means government spendings, denotes expenditure on goods and services by the government. Net exports means the represents a nation's export minus its imports. And this is very important because it will help us economically.
Wait. What do you understand from the nations? Wait. uh, Scroll down. Here in the GDP you have written import minus export. You have written no somewhere. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes.
what do
Nations
you mean by this?
means
Export.
which we import, ma'am, for other countries that will take some tax maybe that will minus us export.
It is export minus import. Na? Whatever we are sending minus the number of import.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. We should have a very clear idea about this import export and this government spending, GC, consumption. Okay, no, go through the meanings of every word here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And 8 industry sectors that India comes into account are agriculture, forestry, and fishing. Second, mining and quarrying. Third one is manufacturing. Fourth, electricity, gas, and water supply. Fifth is construction. Sixth, trade, hotels, transports, and communications. Seventh is financing, insurance, real estate, and business services. Eighth is community, social, and personal. India's gross product domestic is about 23.9 between 8 April to June due to pandemic. It's not just India also, but for the other countries also. Last year, pandemic year reported worst because of COVID. And your result. Ma'am, I have not typed the advantages of COVID, but can I tell that?
You should include this so that your project, whatever you are going
Ma'am,
to
I
explain,
will include
will
today.
be visible here.
I will include it and I will send it to you, ma'am, today.
Okay. Whatever the corrections I am telling you now, you have to include that and send me the file.
Okay, ma'am, I will do it today, ma'am. Ma'am, this much is sufficient or should
So how many pages it have? 40 out of 40 pages you have done. Include some of the points later on. If you send it to me, I will tell you the some corrections, and then you have to put it in the format. That is 12 is a font size times New Roman
14, ma'am? You
is
told now 14.
yes,
Font size you told 14, ma'am.
yes, 1 4.
Huh.
Okay, and the border. Okay, make a
Okay.
border for every page, and wherever you have heading, you can increase the font size. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If you're
Can
done,
ma'am, ma'am, can
yes,
we insert that faint side images for the pages?
Yeah, you can insert images, animation. If you want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
include any video link, suppose there is
Okay.
a YouTube video link, so you can include that one also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What is the next group? Are you ready? Sonali Ingre, Reshma Wagmare, Ashwini Ardak, Namrata Ukrande. Last time you haven't presented.
Sonali. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कोण प्रेझेंट करणार आहेत?
Sonali आहे ma'am.
लास्ट टाइम तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन झालं नव्हतं.
हो मॅम. पेजेस कमी होते मॅम.
प्रेझेंट करा, कोण करणार आहे?
प्रेझेंटेशन.
अजून तुम्ही पेजेसमध्येच आहेत, टाईप नाही केलं का?
हो मॅम चालू आहे. ती नम्रताकडे असल्यामुळे आम्हाला दाखवता येणार नाही.
ओके. करा करा, प्रेझेंट करा.
हो.
बंद केले वाटतं त्यांनी प्रेझेंट करायचं.
एक मिनिट. हॅलो अश्विनी. हॅलो.
दिसतंय सोनाली, तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन दिसतंय. हां.
माझ्या मोबाईल मध्ये दिसणार.
तुम्ही तुमच्या प्रेझेंटेशनला जावा तिकडे. कुठे आहे प्रेझेंटेशन? हां. ठीक आहे. नाव स्टार्ट प्रेझेंटिंग.
फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन मॅम गेल्या वेळेस थोडा झालता प्रोजेक्ट, त्यामध्ये आम्ही रिअल लाईफ ऍप्लिकेशन्स आणि क्रिप्टोकॉपी यूजिंग डेली बिझनेस लाईफ हे ऍड केलं आहे. फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन. मॅम पूर्ण एक्सप्लेन करू का हे?
तुम्हाला आधी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिले होते ना कसं प्रेझेंट करायचं, आता होता का तुम्ही?
ठीक आहे.
36 पेजेस झाले अजूनही. ते पण रायटिंगचे, टाईप केल्यावर अजून ते कमी होणार, 30च होणार आहेत पेजेस. क्रिप्टोग्राफी किती मोठी ब्रांच आहे, किती यूज आहे त्याचं. कोण कोण आहे ग्रुप मेंबर? सगळे ग्रुप मेंबर करतात का काम?
हो मॅम.
Okay, start presenting. You have 10 minutes to explain.
First, the introduction. The art of protecting information by transformation it into unreadable format is called as cryptography. Only people with secret key can decipher message into readable format as the internet and other forms of electronic communication become more prevalent in electronic security by is becoming increasingly important. Cryptography is used to protect email messages, credit card information, and corporate data. Basically, cryptography is used to protect all communication over internet. Thus, it is very important concept for modern days. Definition of cryptography. The term cryptography has its origin is Greek cryptos logos, which means hidden words. Cryptography is the science of using mathematics to encrypt and decrypt data. Cryptography is the art of science of keeping messages secure. Cryptography is a field of computer science and mathematics that focuses on techniques for secure communication between two parties while a third party is present. This is based on methods like encryption and, and decryption, etc. Uh, Cryptography terminology. First is plain text, second ciphertext, third key, fourth encryption, fifth decryption, um, sixth cryptographic algorithm. Uh, Cryptographic algorithm is also called as cipher. Uh, and types of cipher. First is cipher. Second is monoalphabetic cipher. Third is homomorphic substitution cipher. Fourth is polygram substitution cipher. Fifth is Hill cipher. Example. Next, explanation.
Then next is types of cipher, types of cryptography. There are three types: symmetric key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography, and hash function. Then block diagram of these three types and its advantages,
ते ब्लॉक
disadvantages.
डायग्राम कळाला का तुम्हाला? एक्झाम्पल पण एक्सप्लेन केले नाहीत काय पण. अजून तुमचं प्रिपरेशन नाहीये. तुमचे टॉपिक एवढं छान दिलं तर हे काढून दुसऱ्यांना देऊ का हे टॉपिक? एवढा छान टॉपिक आहे, काय प्रिपरेशन नाही. हे असं हे एक्झाम्पल आहे, हे असं आहे, हे चालणार नाही ना असं. यू शुड एक्सप्लेन इच अँड एव्हरी टर्म. हे ब्लॉक डायग्राम आहे म्हटल्यावर असं कसं चालणार? Are you going to explain this in this way for in front of examiner?
No.
Okay. Complete your presentation. Later on, you have to include all the changes what I am telling you. Okay. Make your own group. Start doing presentation. Right. Present your presentation to your group members.
Yes, ma'am. Then examples of symmetric, asymmetric, and hash functions. Then use of mathematics in cryptography. Number theory. Use of cryptography. Use of mathematics in cryptography. Application of cryptography. Reshma.
A real life application of cryptography. Digital real life application of cryptography. First, authentication in any process through which one proves and varieties certain information. Sometimes one may want to verify the origin of documents and then identity of the sender, and the time and data documents. Next, time stamping. Time stamping is a technique that certify that a certain electronic documents or communication existed or was delivered at a certain times. Stamping user and encryption models called blind signatures. Time sampling is a very similar to the sending a registered letter. Next, electronic money. The definition of electronic money is also called electronic cash or a digital cash, and it is a terms that is still involving. Includes transitions carried out electrically with a net transfer of found from one part to another part, and which may be either be debit or a credit. Encryption and decryption in email. Email encryption is a method of securing the content of emails from anyone outside of the emails convocation, looking to obtain the participants information, and it is encrypted from an email is no longer. Encryption is WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, there WhatsApp is a used cryptography, and WhatsApp used the signal protocol for encryption, and which is used a combination of asymmetric and symmetric key cryptography algorithms. So the symmetric ensure confidentiality and integrity. Encryption in Instagram. There are user Instagram is cryptography. Yours Instagram is likely an encrypted communication when you phone request data with Instagram, and it will be used SIM card authentication. Cryptography in daily life. Use of cryptography in daily business life.
एक काम करा, सगळे ग्रुप मेंबर क्रिप्टोग्राफीवरचे युट्यूब लेक्चर्स वाचा, त्याला कसं एक्सप्लेन करायचं हे बघा. किती छान टॉपिक आहे, काय एक्सप्लेन करत नाही. व्हॉट्सअप मध्ये कसं यूज करतो आपण क्रिप्टोग्राफी, एंड टू एंड इन्क्रिप्शन असतो ना. कुठलाही व्हॉट्सअपचं तुमचं, सपोज इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कम्युनिकेट विथ एनी ऑफ युअर फ्रेंड, वरती एक असते ना, दिस इज एंड टू एंड इन्क्रिप्शन. व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय दॅट? ओके, you have to explain each and everything. WhatsApp, Instagram, everything you have written, but you are not able to explain. Within 2 days, I'm should be ready with the Word file, as well as you should send me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And once again, I'm going to take your presentation. You should improve your speaking skills. Every student from this group.
Yes, ma'am.
खूप छान टॉपिक आहे, एक्सप्लेन करा. तुम्ही लिहून काय चालणार नाही. व्हॉट एव्हर यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन विल बी वर्थफुल ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Within 2 days, I need your whole project in a Word file and send it to me. What is the date today? Actually, 11, 12, 13. So on the 15th, you should send me the file, and on the 15th itself, I will take your presentation once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, wait.
Next one. Yes, Kiran Pandre, what do you want to explain?
Ma'am, where to send the Word file, on WhatsApp or on Classroom?
On the Classroom itself, I will create one classwork. In that, you have to include that.
Okay, ma'am.
On the 15 itself. Do the corrections and send me. Next. पुढचा ग्रुप कोण आहे?
हॅलो मॅम.
हा.
हॅलो.
Yes,
आम्ही
yes.
दोन पॉइंट्स ऍड केलो. डिफरन्शियल ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन इन इकॉनॉमिक्स अँड स्पोर्ट्स, हे 2 पॉइंट्स आम्ही ऍड केलो ह्याच्या. हा मॅडम, आमचं ते हे ग्राफ काढायचे ना, त्याच्यात थोडस प्रॉब्लेम व्हायलाय. थेअरीचं टायपिंग झालंय, पण ते ग्राफच थोडं राहिलंय. मग मॅडम ते ग्राफ डायरेक्ट
इमेज घ्या,
स्क्रीनशॉट
डायरेक्टली
मारायचं.
जिथे तुमचं इमेज दिसतंय ना, ते इमेज स्क्रीनशॉट करून तिथं पेस्ट करा.
हा चालतंय. आणि मॅडम ते सिम्बॉल ना, त्याच्यात पण थोडस हे व्हायलंय.
म्हणून तर आम्ही
थेअरीचं
तुम्हाला प्रोजेक्ट दिलेत ना 4th सेमिस्टरला. तुम्ही युजफुल व्हायला पाहिजे. हे सगळे टूल्स, व्हॉट एव्हर यू हॅव, मायक्रोसॉफ्ट फाईल, पॉवर पॉइंट प्रेझेंटेशन, राईट? I told you
Yes.
initially that this will be very difficult if you are going to include the mathematical word file.
अजून मॅडम 2-3 दिवसात होईल आमचं. ते इमेज आणि ते ग्राफ मुळे थोडस राहिलंय.
म्हणजे आता प्रेझेंट नाही करणार तुम्ही?
नाही मॅडम.
वर्ड फाईल कुठे आहे?
ते वैष्णवीकडे लॅपटॉप मध्ये आहे मॅडम. तिचं थोडं लॅपटॉप प्रॉब्लेम झालाय.
काय कारण सांगतात हे? तुमचा
नाही
प्रेझेंटेशन
मॅडम.
रेडी नाहीये, म्हणून तुम्ही लॅपटॉप आणि हे नाहीये, ते नाहीये.
मॅडम नाही, थेअरीचं झालंय, ते ग्राफचं आणि त्याचं थोडस प्रॉब्लेम झालाय.
ओके. 15 तारखेला तुम्ही पण प्रेझेंटेशन द्यावं लागेल मग.
हा येस मॅम.
वर्ड फाईल तिथे क्लासरूमला अपलोड करायचं.
हा
ते
चालेल.
every group member, all the 3 groups, you have to put a font size 12 times New Roman plus border to every page, and headings should be you can give a different size for a heading. Okay.
येस मॅम.
हॅलो मॅम.
पेज नंबर पण द्या. पेज
हा
नंबर
मॅम.
असेल तर तुम्हाला पण इझी होईल ना, कुठल्या पेज नंबरवर काय आहे. इंडेक्स तयार करा. इंडेक्स मध्ये पेज नंबर लिहा. हे टॉपिक, हे त्याच्या समोर त्याचा जे काही पेज नंबर असेल ते.
हा येस मॅम.
हॅलो मॅम.
हम्म.
तर इकॉनॉमिक्सचा जो पॉइंट ऍड केला आम्ही, तो प्रेझेंट करून दाखवू का?
नाही, ठीक आहे. सगळे एकदमच प्रेझेंट करा. 15 तारखेला ते वर्ड फाईल मला रेडी पाहिजे. जे काही तुमच्या लॅपटॉपचा प्रॉब्लेम झालाय किंवा ते काय ऍड नाहीये, काय जे काही असेल ते तुम्ही 15 तारखेला मला प्रेझेंट करायचं.
चालेल. एकदा दाखवू तरी का मॅडम? जे काही घेतलंय ते मग
ठीक आहे. प्रेझेंट कर.
हां. दिसते स्क्रीन मॅडम?
येस. झूम करा थोडाफार.
डेफिनेशन मार्जिनल प्रॉफिट, मार्जिनल रेव्हेन्यू, मार्जिनल कॉस्ट आणि इकॉनॉमिस्ट analyze how small changes if affect point of profit and cost. Then here is summary of basic term and corresponding meaning. आणि काही एक्झाम्पल ऍड केलेत मॅम.
ठीक आहे. थोडं अजून इव्हॅल्युएट करू शकता तुम्ही.
हां ठीक आहे मॅम.
Okay. See, every group, the same instruction for everyone. Border plus font size plus Times New Roman, page number, index page, everything should be ready and it should be uploaded on the classroom on the 15th.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm not going to take any excuses at that time. Okay. You can stop now. You can leave the meeting. Thank you.
मैम
हाँ बोला.
मैम असाइनमेंट के बारे में